Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting hardware ready. Charge the headphones and put them explicitly into pairing mode so they broadcast. On your laptop, open Settings and go to Bluetooth. Turn it on. This lets your computer scan. Once done, make sure to disable Bluetooth on nearby devices to prevent accidental connections and interference. You're initiating the link now, so watch the laptop's available devices list. The headphone name should appear. If it doesn't, re-enter pairing mode on the headset and refresh the scan. You tap the headphone name shown in the Bluetooth list to start pairing. This is the active step that creates the secure link. If the laptop asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or 1234 or simply accept the prompt. This authorizes the connection. Once paired, the system may switch profiles. Make sure output is set to your headphones in sound settings. If your laptop shows only paired but no sound, reselect the device as the audio output. This forces the OS to route audio correctly. You finish by making the headphones the default playback device in sound settings, then play a short clip to verify proper audio and microphone behavior. If audio cuts or the connection fails, first toggle Bluetooth off then on. That clears transient issues. If that doesn't help, remove the device from the paired list and repeat the pairing process. Sometimes repairing resolves profile conflicts. Finally, make sure your laptop's Bluetooth driver is current. Update drivers when necessary to fix persistent compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.